Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show how to prepare bread at home. Making bread has 3 stages. The first stage is starting with the dough, and the second stage is proofing of the dough, and the third stage is baking itself. In a bowl, I am taking half glass of warm water and adding 1.5 spoons of sugar. Stir it to dissolve. I'm using this dry active yeast. Taking 1 spoon of yeast, mixing it with warm water and sugar mixture. Stirring it for few seconds. Now the yeast solution is ready. Covering this bowl with plastic wrap and keeping it in a warm place for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes this solution is going to raise. If not raised, keep it for another 5 minutes. After around 5 minutes, remove the plastic wrap. You can see that the solution has been raised. Time to make a dough. Add 1 spoon of oil. Add 1 bowl full of all-purpose flour. Add half spoon of salt. Mix it and make a dough. Add small portion of extra flour if it is required. After kneading the dough for 5 to 8 minutes, dough will be ready. Perfect dough is ready now. Apply half spoon of oil around the bowl. Now we reach the second stage, which is proofing of the dough. Proofing is basically resting the dough and allowing it to raise. Wrap the bowl with plastic cover. Keep it like this for an hour. Remove the wrapper after an hour. You can see dough doubled in size. Punch it so the air pockets will be removed. Make a ball. Take this dough ball into countertop. Roll it. Make medium-sized long base like this. Start swirling from one end as I am showing in the video. Swirl it completely. Swirling will give layered texture to the bread. It's time to seal the roll. Seal the sides and edges like I am showing in the video. Sealing is done. It's time for second proof. Place the roll inside the tin. Grease with some butter or oil. Keep it for proof for another hour. Covering with plastic wrap as I did earlier. Covering the uppermost top with kitchen towel. After 1 hour, second proofing is done. Remove the covers and wake up the dough. At this time, you can add sesame seeds or any dry fruits on top of it. Now we are at the last stage of bread making, which is baking. Roll is ready to go into oven. Preheat the oven for around 10 to 15 minutes. Place the roll inside the oven and bake it for 15 minutes. Take out from the oven after 15 minutes. You can see this bread is ready. Let it cool for some time. Slice the bread. You can store these bread slices into airtight container for 2 to 3 days. Simple and soft bread is ready. Enjoy these bread slices in your breakfast and snacks. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe.